welcome back to Mr. Broker and AI. Today, we're turning the AI spotlight towards an innovative platform, making quite a splash in art and design. Named aptly after the maestro of the Renaissance era, Leonardo AI is your friendly neighborhood AI assistant that adds that extra pizzazz to your artistic endeavors. But wait! Before worrying about your wallet, let's be clear, this tool is similar to the much-loved Midjourney V5 but without the heavy price tag. Quite a relief. So, without further delay, let's jump into how to access this powerful platform. Launch your web browser and search for Leonardo AI. The top search result should take you straight to the Leonardo AI webpage. It's a simple procedure, just like finding any other website. Once you've arrived at the Leonardo AI website, the following step is to create an account. You'll need to supply some basic information to sign up. Use a constant email address throughout this procedure, especially if you want early access. You will receive an email with a verification code to complete the sign-up procedure. You are now an official member of the Leonardo AI community. Now, you might wonder, how do I gain early access or join the alpha program? Don't be concerned, we've got you covered. You may join for unique early bird access on the Leonardo AI homepage. This is equivalent to joining the alpha program. You will be invited to join the program by entering your email address. It's an excellent opportunity to test the platform's features before the wider audience. Immersion in the Leonardo AI community is now one of the finest methods to get the most out of Leonardo AI. Join the Leonardo AI Discord group to gain access to various information and opportunities for cooperation. Click the link to the Discord group, input your username, and log in if you already have an account. You join a vibrant community of other Leonardo AI users and developers the moment you sign up. Feel free to explore around and join the Discord group's conversation. More information can be found in the Getting Started guide, the rules section, and the general chat room. Your chances of gaining early access to new features improve directly to your activity level. Filling out the Discord form expedites acquiring access to new features. Simply entering your details, including your Discord user ID, will get you one step closer to learning everything Leonardo AI offers. We've successfully navigated signing up for Leonardo AI and joining the vibrant Discord community. Now, let's delve further into the platform. Even inexperienced users can navigate and understand the Leonardo AI interface easily. After checking in, you will be taken to your homepage, displaying a feed of recent designs from other users and featured models. This provides you with inspiration and a view into the work that others are producing. You'll also find a section where you can train your dataset of photographs. This is a significant component that sets Leonardo AI apart from other similar products. Now, let's discuss how to create your first piece of art. The AI image generator is your primary creative tool. You can choose different models to base your creations on, making Leonardo AI versatile and adaptable to your artistic vision. After choosing your model, you can add a prompt that describes what you want the AI to generate. Once you've finalized your settings, hit the Generate button and watch the magic happen. Using tokens is a Leonardo AI feature that is both interesting and useful. You are granted 150 tickets at the beginning of each day, and they fully renew after around 18 hours. Because one token is equivalent to one image production, you can generate a maximum of 150 photographs daily. This allows you to practice your artistic notions and develop new ones. Additional advanced capabilities, such as upscaling photographs, require more tokens. These features, along with others like them, will be discussed in further detail later on. Leonardo AI isn't just about generating images from prompts. It also offers advanced features such as image-to-image and image-to-prompt tools. With image-to-image, you input an existing image, and the AI creates a new image based on the original one but with its unique artistic spin. This allows you to take an existing piece of art or design and transform it into something entirely new and special. On the other hand, the image-to-prompt tool does the reverse. You input an image, and the AI generates a prompt based on what it sees. This could inspire new ideas, as you could use the generated prompts to create unique images. These advanced tools and features set Leonardo AI apart from other AI art generators, offering new and exciting ways to generate art. But remember, it's all about experimenting and learning. The more you use these features, the more comfortable you'll become, and the better your results will be. In the next segment, we'll discuss modifying the generated art, downloading and saving your work, and further exploring the platform. Now diving deeper into the unique features of Leonardo AI, let's find out how they contribute to making it an incredible platform for AI art generation. Once your image has been generated, Leonardo AI doesn't stop there. It allows you to modify the created art using the Add Negative Prompt feature. This feature lets you exclude elements you don't want in your final image. If there's something in the image you're not entirely happy with, you can easily remove it. This tool helps you refine the idea until it aligns with your vision. You'd want to keep a copy after putting in your creativity and the AI's capabilities to generate your piece of art. Leonardo AI makes this step a breeze. Once satisfied with your creation, you can download the image directly from the platform. This process is straightforward, and the quality of the downloaded image is excellent, keeping all the intricate details intact. Aside from being an art generation tool, Leonardo AI is also a thriving community of artists and AI enthusiasts. It is an environment that fosters learning and inspiration. By interacting with the community, you can learn new tips and tricks, gain insights, and get inspired by the creations of others. Exploring the community feed and the featured model sections are excellent ways to ignite your creativity. In addition, the group on Discord is a beneficial resource. You are welcome to take an active part in the discussions that are taking place here, ask questions, share your creations, and provide comments on the work that others have produced. The community is an excellent resource for keeping abreast of any new platform features or changes that may become available. In addition, Leonardo AI offers a Getting Started guide and a section of the Discord group dedicated to answering frequently asked topics. Because of this, it is much simpler for newcomers to comprehend the system and utilize it to its full potential. Now, you might wonder, how does Leonardo AI stack up against other AI art generators like Midjourney V5? Let's delve into that. While Midjourney V5 sets a high benchmark in the AI art generation field, it isn't a free platform, making it less accessible for some users. On the other hand, Leonardo AI provides a lot of the same functionality at no cost, and this is just the beginning of what sets it apart. So, when comparing Leonardo AI with Midjourney V5, it comes down to accessibility, community involvement, and the flexibility to create and experiment freely. Leonardo AI shines in all these areas, making it a compelling alternative. No AI art generator is perfect, and Leonardo AI has its learning curve. But with the wealth of tools at your disposal and an active community ready to help, you'll find that it's a journey worth embarking on. Remember, waiting is for bus stops and doctor's offices, not for creativity. So, why not take Leonardo AI out for a spin and start creating some stunning AI art pieces? Unleash the digital Da Vinci within you. As always, remember to keep that creative spark alive. Happy creating, everyone! Until next time on Mr. Broker and AI, stay curious and inspired. If you have any questions or general comments, leave a comment down below, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye, have a great time.